this tiring track sitting here in such a in a balcony of such a nice house is quite refreshing. And there is a river nearby. The village is so beautiful. Like I can we can sit here for hours. If we don't have to we don't have to go anywhere. The only issue with our fast life is when we see such beautiful places, we don't spend much time here, and we have to find out some way so that we can enjoy more with such beautiful place, peaceful place, and we can actually have good taste of such blessings. I am having the taste of this blessing. बंद करो इसको बोतल से.
Hello.
Hello.
So friends, today we are going to explore Kamandurg fort near Vasai, and right now we are at Devkundi village, which is the base village for Kamandurg, and we'll start our journey from here. Right now we are checking for some villager who can come as a guide with us, who can show us the path, so that we can do this trek in a in a proper timing. So let's begin our journey.
Yeah. I am already liking the peace and the serenity of this village. Though this is being so near to our area, it looks like it is far away from the places which is crowded and all. So I think you all can hear the silence in this video, the silence which is around.
Let's start. Let's see who will come with us. And here Mr. Nilesh will going to accompany us, and he will show us the path to the top. So let's begin our journey. Chala, start करूया. चला काका. Yeah. And we have one more, as usual we have one more guide with us. हे पण येईल ना आपल्या बरोबर वरती. याचं नाव काय आहे? नाव ठेवलं आहे की नाही? आमचं नाही. नाही तुमचं नाही आहे ते? असं आहे. गावातलं आहे. पूर्ण गावाची सुरक्षा करतो ते. This is the Devkundi village. Very few houses. So this is where the trail begins.
इस बार का पूरा कोरोना के टाइम में पूरा सीजन ही खराब हो गया. कोई आया?
So there in the corner on top we have to reach. I have been to this place almost 3-4 years back. So, and that time I came alone over here, but since it's a long time, where I have been visited here. So I've almost forgot the route over here. That's why we have taken a guide from a village. Especially whenever you go for any such hikes or treks, it is always advisable that you hire a guide from a village, because there are two main plus points for that. First thing is that it provides them some income, and like you give them some money, it creates an opportunity for an employment for them. Second thing, the most important thing is that since they are local, daily they are going up and down, so they will take you from a right path. They'll provide you security. They know this entire terrain thoroughly, so it is always safe to have a local villager with you. And mountaineering as a sport was developed on that reason only, that it provides an employment opportunity to all the local villagers. So whenever you go for a trek, always hire a guide, always hire a local villager with you. That's for your majorly for your benefit and for their benefit also. And
How is the Josh?
hi sir.
Good one. So just now Salman has lost his way and then he found it. So how are you feeling?
Awesome.
Okay, go ahead. बड़े चलो.
So this is the Tungareshwar mountains which we see in front of us. This entirely is part of Tungareshwar Wildlife Reserve. We are going over here on this side, and Manish is also enjoying the beautiful view. And that side is, I think so, that is Naigaon area. With the buildings which we see over there.
ट्रैवल करके इधर पहुंच जाओ, आराम से 2 घंटा 3 घंटा 4 घंटा ट्रैक करके वापस चले जाओ, सुबह उठ के आओ 12 बजे घर पे टच, किसी को पता भी नहीं चले और अपना काम भी हो जाए.
यस, काफ़ी टाइम ऐसा होता है, तो बोलते हैं ना बगल में छोड़ा गांव में दिंडोरा, कि हम खुद ही इतनी अच्छी जगह के पास रहते हैं पर हम वो जगह को ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर नहीं करते.
और ये एक्सप्लोर करते टाइम बस एक ही चीज़ जनरली ध्यान रखनी होती है कि हम ज़्यादा डैमेज ना करें, बिकॉज हम एक्चुअली इसका पार्ट नहीं है. हम जब भी आते हैं ट्रैक करने के लिए हम नेचर को ख़राब करते हैं, तो वो तो होगा बट मिनिमम करो, कोशिश करो कि ज़्यादा ख़राब ना हो. थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होके आना, चीज़ों के बारे में थोड़ा अवेयर रहना अच्छा होता है, ताकि हम अपना तो एंजॉय कर ले पर अपने मनोरंजन के चक्कर में कुछ ख़राब ना करके चले.
हाँ,
तो जो वैसा वाला पार्ट है कि अगर हम कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं या पढ़ते हैं या फिर देखते हैं, तो ट्रक की कहाँ पहुँचना है या क्या उसका लर्निंग है वो तो समझ गए, बट वो लर्निंग कैसे आया वो सीखने के लिए जर्नी तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. ट्रैवल करना, चलना, वो उस चीज़ को जीना, तो अपन सीख पाएंगे। कई बार हमको बोल देते हैं और बात करते रहते तो कई बार बोल दिया जाता है कि तुम जिस तरीके से जी रहे हो या जो तुम सोच रहे हो वो सही नहीं है, तुम या तो ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो या कम बोल रहे हो। पर वो तो मेरा लाइफ है ना, मैं खुद सीखूंगा तो मतलब ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा। हाँ, मैं वो जो क्रक्स है, जो लर्निंग है, वो दिमाग में रख सकता हूँ कि वहाँ पे पहुँचना है या उसके बराबर वाली कोई जगह पे पहुँचना है, पर चलना तो ज़रूरी है।
करेक्ट।
जीना तो ज़रूरी है, और जीने का सबका अपना अपना तरीका है, कॉमन तरीका नहीं हो सकता।
सही बात। दिखने से पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि ये कोई इंसेक्ट है, ऐसा लगेगा लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है।
इसका पेट किधर होगा, खाता कहाँ से होगा?
देखो कैसे चल रहा है।
4 पैर है, सेंटर में इसका मतलब जॉइंट होता है, उस पर बैलेंस बना रखा है। उसको बैलेंस के लिए 6 पॉइंट का जरूरत है।
ये आगे आगे लंबा सा जो है ना, वो उसका सर और उसका मुंह लग रहा है।
तो इसको खाने के लिए कितना कम चाहिए रहता है नहीं? इसकी आंखें भी होगी या नहीं?
हाँ, उसमें उसकी आंखें होगी शायद तक।
पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में, गूगल बाबा से देखना पड़ेगा।
So on this trek you will find such kind of arrows at multiple locations. The route is not completely marked with arrows, but yeah, if you are coming over here, then always keep an eye on the arrows and try to find an arrow. You will get an arrow maybe at a distance of a 10 or a 20 meter. Sometimes the distance between an arrow is also long, so keep a proper watch on your path. Don't lose your path, and if you are not finding an arrow for a long period of a time, then always try to search for an arrow marking while climbing. But if you have a local guide with you, then you don't have to worry for anything. Yes, beautiful. See the place where we are walking. Yes. See, one more arrow over here. Yeah, there are bamboo trees surrounding us, and it's a nice dense forest from where we are walking. Very beautiful. मज़ा आ रहा है काफ़ी। We've walked for 2.87 kilometers in 1 hour 33 minutes, and we are right now at कितना, क्या altitude दिखा नहीं रहा है?
625 मीटर
नहीं, 12 meter above sea level. There's some गड़बड़ in this. So hello.
इट वॉज क्वाइट अ जर्नी, एंड जब हम लोग पीक देख रहे हैं तो सही एकदम मस्त वाला फीलिंग है, मतलब हाँ क्या सही जगह जाने का हमको।
वही वो सामने कामनदुर का पिक है, एंड वी कैन सी अ स्मॉल फ्लैग आल्सो ओवर देयर,
एंड देयर इज वन टावर, वन मोबाइल टावर टाइप ऑफ थिंग आल्सो।
no that's a flag, that's not a mobile tower, it's a flag. Yeah,
देयर आर 2 फ्लैग्स, दैट साइड एंड दिस साइड।
yes. And now we'll go up, we'll go down over there, and then from there we'll go over there on top. Ultimate view. We were thinking that this trek is a nice short trek, but it is not that short trek. It's a quite steep trek, and the distance is also good enough so that you get a proper feel of a mountain climb. And it passes through a dense forest, very dense forest. And like in monsoon, I have been here in monsoon, during monsoon also, and there are lots and lots of mosquitoes also over here, mosquitoes and flies. So when you are coming in monsoon season, just be prepared for that. And in summer you will feel hot, so carry a proper summer protection when you are coming over here. Yeah, carry enough of water with you. That's the most important thing when you are coming on the mountain. Come on, let's head towards there on top. कुठला आहे? तुंगारेश्वर आहे हा, समोर तुंगारेश्वरचा डोंगर आहे ना. आणि ते तिथे बिल्डिंग दिसते ते काही नायगाव आहे ते माहीत नाही मला वाटतं ते नाही, ते वसई नायगावचाच एरिया आहे. अँड देअर जिथे वसईची खाडी आहे ना आपली, वसई खाडी ना. आणि गोरबंदर रोड या साईडला आहे. गोरबंदर रोड इज ओवर देअर. वी स्टार्टेड आवर जर्नी समवेअर डाऊन ओवर देअर. वी कॅन सी अ स्मॉल patch of water pond. We started from there, we climbed on this mountain, then from there we traversed and we came over here on this mountain. Now we'll cross this mountain and then we'll go on the third mountain towards the peak of Kamandurg. And this entire mountain is a Kamandurg mountain only. This entire green patch what you see is part of Tungareshwar Wildlife Reserve only. So beautiful. Yes.
चलो
चलो.
क्या वहाँ से
Yeah. So we were there on that ridge earlier. Now we are here.
वो वहाँ से देखने पे एक्चुअली लग रहा था कि 20 मिनट में चढ़ जाएंगे और एक्चुअली चढ़ रहे हैं. अभी तक हम 10 मिनट चले शायद. 10 मिनट में हम आधे रास्ते आ चुके हैं. अभी इतना और चढ़ना है ये भी मतलब 10 मिनट का लग रहा है, बट मैक्सिमम 20 मिनट लग जाएंगे.
हाँ.
और सही है, मतलब बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है.
एंड ये बीच का पार्ट है जो थोड़ा वर्टिकल है. इधर साइड में स्टेप्स है एंड ब्यूटीफुल. This is Kamandurg top. Wow, क्या मस्त हवा है. Now we are climbing the last and final patch to reach the top. You can see where Nilesh is walking, and this final patch is like this only. You have to go straight up through the rocks, and this patch is bit tricky during monsoon because all these rocks are slippery. So when you're coming over here in monsoon, then you have to especially take care. There's a water tank over here. It's empty, dried out completely. And over here there's no drinking water available, so whenever you are coming, just ensure that you have enough of water. Till the time you reach back at the base village. Yeah, such an amazing view.
So there is a paradox here. You can see a large water body in front of you, but here you actually don't have any water. So
Yeah.
we are carrying like our resource, ample resource, and we are using it rationally. So we don't have any such issue. But yes, water will be required.
There are lots of cactus also over here. We started our journey from the back of the third mountain. Then we climbed up this, we crossed this, we went down, we traversed this mountain, and then we came up over here. And now finally we are going up over there. and this patch is a bit tricky. So yeah, here, like if you are a regular trekker, you have done enough of treks, or you have enough climb enough of mountains in, then only you should come over here. This trek is not for a newbie. If a newbie is coming, then just someone experienced has to be there with them. You can see how we are climbing. Now here in mid we found some rock cut steps, small steps, so that's a good sign that we don't have to worry much to climb. लेके जमेगा ना चढ़ने को।
हाँ हाँ आप चढ़े वहाँ तक। गो
इधर तो एकदम SPM की याद दिला दी। ये कैसे करता है, कितना एक्सपर्ट है ये। देखो ऐसे वर्टिकल पैच भी ये चढ़ गया। सही है तो बिडू, वेल डन। Here we are on top of Kamandurg. Yes, there's one more peak over there, and this is the top peak of Kamandurg. We've reached over here in 2 hours 53 minutes, and we walked for 4.22 kilometers. And why it is not showing my altitude today? There's a problem in my watch. Yes, it's a nice beautiful hike, and finally we've reached on top of Kamandurg. Manish enjoying the lovely weather over here. We were trying to climb this, but seems like there's no route from here, or there is a route. We don't have a time to go and explore it since we are running short of time and we have to
And it is also looking
go down.
risky, and we are short of equipments
Hmm.
for climbing this thing. So without equipments, we should always take a calculated risk. This one we cannot calculate, or maybe we are not skilled enough to do this. So let's not do it.
Yes. So there's one more route which comes from there. So there's a village. So if you want to climb this mountain, you can come from there. Such a beautiful view. Amazing. Now, after some peaceful time over here on top, we are starting our return journey. You can see the surrounding mountains, and clearly we can feel that we are on top of all this mountain. We just came down little bit to check whether can we climb that mountain or not. This is the crux patch, which is a bit tricky to climb since it's a straight vertical, but it's easy. The only thing, you just have to be cautious while climbing. You can see the arrow also, it is showing just straight on top. Now finally we are back at the base village. This is what the team has got, the scrap from top. We are segregating it over here, so we are keeping all the plastic bottles over here, because the villager is saying the scrap vendor will take all the plastic, so he might get some money. And the beer cans, and like you can see, there's a bag full of beer cans. There was still more trash over there on top, but we could have managed to get only this much, and that's okay. And like we walked for 2 hours 5 minutes, and we walked for total distance of 4.47 kilometers. That's a quite good speed. And here we are at the base village, back where we started our journey. So we are taking some rest over here after a very nice and a fast trek. We were back from top in almost 5.5 hours, and we walked for more than 10 kilometers on a mountain walk. On a mountain we walked. It was a nice trek. It's a nice trek which goes via dense forest. And this is the house of Nilesh, our guide. I have given his number on the description box. So if you are planning to come for a trek over here at Kamandurg, you can contact him. He can come as a guide with you, and you can enjoy this beautiful trek. So guys, see you on our next adventure. Till then, bye bye.